The first thing that I want to show you is this, because Flywoo have released a fan. Not just any fan though, it is the QuickCool VTX portable fan. Now, this is actually a freaking good idea, and let me show you why this is a good idea, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you what I have permanently on my bench. It's in front of me now for a reason. This is a PC fan, which I have had to rewire to XT60 pass-through, which I use for cooling VTXs on the bench. This is on the bench continuously. However, Flywoo have introduced the QuickCool VTX portable fan. Now, this is a lipo paste fan. Now, according to the spec, it supports 2 to 6S, has a 3.5-inch prop, and 25 amp ESC on board. So it is basically a single blade prop fan. On the bottom, it has an XT60. It's got a speed control here. So we are, let's... It's got a display on it. Look at that. Focus that so you can see it. There you go, look. It's recognised, it's a lipo. It's locked at the moment. Why is it locked? What? How does that work? Oh, there's a button on the side. Oh, that unlocks, that locks. Oh, wow. That gets going. Just to show you that, ladies and gentlemen. You ready? That's minimum. Right. I don't think you can quite appreciate how... Wait, it's coming for you. Ready? I don't know what that did. Oh my God. That's fair. That is fucking scaring the shit out of me. That is... I can't turn that to full on 6S. What about 4S? I am not pointing that at myself on full 6S. That's 50%! Pushing my hand. Oh my God. I want to get it to full speed on 6S. Right, here we go. The drones in the background are swinging. %! Ah! It's limited to 50%! It's limited to 50% in 6S. Oh my... That is incredible, is the wording I'm going to use. That is literally a 5-inch quad motor with a 3.5-inch blade. That is insane. Yeah, I guess the lipo can go in the strap. Oh, it gets warm as well on the back. That's crazy. That is genuinely crazy. There are times where you get something and it is not quite what you thought it was. And that is absolutely one of them. Right, well, if you're interested in getting the fan, it is available from Flywoo for $34.99. It's a bargain, I can promise you. That's f***ing insane is the words I'm going to use. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the most surprising thing that I have seen this year. On 4S, they limit you to 55% throttle. 5 to 6S, 30% throttle. Factory default setting, lipo auto. What a crazy... They call it violence on the site. Yeah, it's actually called the QuickCool Portable Violence Fan. Someone needs to buy 4 of them and build a drone. It's a drone motor. That's fucking scary is what that is. Wow. That has genuinely tickled me. I had not tried that before stream, I promise you. That is a whole new experience.